Oh shoot! Forgot to add the extra arm! My bad. Forgot to tell you viewers that I had to do that. Clumsy me. Never forget to leave things out. And finish! Now that is how you draw a Rise Greymon. Now it's finished up. Anyway, that's not the reason why I decided to come back on the air. We decided to pick it up a notch. Tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Rycon in his newest form. You remember that fight against Murno on Unreal Gaming? Well, this is what he looks like after he achieved Super Saiyan Blue. Rycon's new transformation is basically a super fusion of Super Saiyan 4, Super Saiyan Blue, Super Saiyan Royal Blue, and Ultra Instinct. That's a really powerful form. Now that's something you don't see every day. All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal Gaming. We slept on Thursday just to get it over. The week's a day away. And they say, go slow, and everything just stands so still. We say, go, go, you're gonna see us rip into it. Just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. And then we jump back to it again. Ninja, ninja, oh, come on, we're gonna do it again. We just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. And then we jump back to it again. Ninja, ninja, oh, come on, into the weekend whip, yeah, yeah. They say, no, no, but we don't wanna sit around. This is chiseled abs. Now we draw the rest of his hair. Just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. And then we jump back to it. And then we jump back to it again. Ninja, ninja, oh, come on, we're gonna do it again. We just jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. And then we jump back to it again. Ninja, ninja, oh, come on, to the weekend whip. Ninja, ninja, come on, into the weekend whip. Kick back, whip around and spin.
Hi.
Yeah?
20 years. 21 years, I'm telling you. Keep the light off.
Alright. There we go. That's not even the half of it. Here's the belt. Lastly, his Saiyan tail. And there he is. That's how you draw the new and improved Rycon. The only problem is, I don't know what transformation he's taken on. Oh yeah. It's like an ultimate fusion. I don't know what kind of Saiyan he is exactly. Maybe I'll find out more on Unreal Gaming.
To find out more on how to draw more characters like this, be sure to go to my site, and I'll be there to teach you more about the awesome characters I have at my disposal. I'm proud you all got to see me draw this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later!